Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here. If you have an old phone without an ultra-wide angle or a macro lens, keep watching this video. So here's our item right here. So this is the 37mm 0.45x super wide angle plus macro lens. So this is a clip-on lens for smartphones so that you can achieve a super wide angle or a macro lens, whichever you prefer. So at a glance on the box, that's what it says right there for the introduction, initial specs. Let's continue with our unboxing. So these are the things we got from our box right there. So this is like a leather pouch right here with strings, and these two items right here, which I think is our main clip-on phone lens for our macro and super wide angle lenses. So this one, as you can see here, this is the clip. So just press on here for the clipping part right here. And I assume this would be the one holding our lens. So this is our lens right here. So get a good look around it. It has a macro etching right there. Actually, it's just, I think it's printed. And it comes with this protective cap right here. So I assume this would be put in here. So when you unscrew this from the middle right there, there are two lenses right here. So I assume this one is the macro one, and this one is for our super wide. So just be careful with the lenses. Do not, as much as possible, do not touch it with your hands. That's why it comes with these covers to protect the lenses. Okay? Okay, since I have shown you both lenses right now, now we will try and mount it to our clip. So what you do is to remove the bottom part right here. So this is the cover for the grooves of the lens. Right there. So just slightly get it out from the bottom right there. And now there are grooves on there with the clips, if you can see it right there. That's where we will be mounting our lens right here. So you see it has grooves as well. So it should fit right in our clip from here. So both our lenses are now mounted on our clip right here. So now all we have to do is remove the protector right here
Wow!
And we should now be able to use this on any smartphone that we have. So what we do is you clip on the camera part of your phone on the center of that lens.
Wow!
So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of this 37mm 0.45x super wide angle plus macro lens for smartphones. So I have shown you the difference using these lenses versus the standard camera of my smartphone, right? So you've seen that it really does work, just to an extent. So I've shown you the difference between using the macro lens versus just pushing your stock camera and just focusing it on front of an object. Well, on this case, it's a Swiss Army knife. You've seen the difference and you've seen that it really does work. As a matter of fact, if you haven't noticed already, I am now shooting this video using the lens we have just reviewed. So what do you think, guys? Is it a value for your money or not? Comment it down below, okay? Please do not forget that we are still on our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, click on this video right here. And I would also put a link in our video description for our giveaway video. And do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our videos. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one.